The Meteorology, Climatology recorded a 7.6 magnitude earthquake that struck Mindanao, Philippines, on Friday, October 10, 2025. The earthquake was recorded at 9:43 a.m., at a depth of 56 kilometers. The epicenter was off the east coast of Manay, Davao Oriental. Aftershocks and potential damage are expected. A tsunami warning has also been issued. The tremors were felt strongly in several provinces in southern Mindanao, prompting residents to evacuate buildings and move to open areas. Authorities are currently assessing the extent of possible damage and monitoring for aftershocks. Disaster response teams and local government units are on standby for possible rescue and relief operations. Further updates from PHIVOLCS and local agencies are expected as information continues to emerge. We hope all the people of Mindanao, Philippines, are safe and well.